Alright, beautiful people. It is time for a BoxyCharm unboxing. We have the month of January's BoxyCharm. I just received this yesterday, and I'm going to unbox it and show you some swatches. So this box's theme is Boxy and Chill. We have the BoxyCharm.com social handles on here and all of the information about the products that come in the box. If you are new to the idea of BoxyCharm, BoxyCharm is a $21 subscription monthly, and it has 5 full-size amazing products every month. And I mean, they're not always amazing, but you know, they're pretty great. And excuse me, you pay $21 for over $100 worth of value every time. So basically, if you were able to not eat pizza once a month, you would save the money, so you could do this every single month and grow your makeup collection immensely without spending the amount of money it would actually cost you to go into a store and grow it yourself. But if you are a person that wants to save up and purchase exactly what you want and not try new things, I wouldn't suggest this. But I personally love this, think it's the greatest subscription ever. So the first thing that I see is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette. I have one of the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea palettes. I have the cool toned one. I'm not actually sure what volume it is. I might have to go grab it. This one is the Volume 3. It is a beautiful gold packaging, nice kind of like scale look on the front with some purples and blues and gold. You open it up. Whoops, I just dropped the plastic tab. And they always have this incredible mirror here. Like, this mirror is so beautiful. Gosh, it's good. It's like better than the one I was looking in to do my makeup. These mirrors are awesome, and they're great for travel too, like if you're in the car and you need to do your makeup. Now this palette has some beautiful, very natural, neutral shades. I would not think this is a glam palette because I'm not seeing very many dark tones, but if you're a person who loves a natural everyday look, this is probably gonna totally be your jam. This is also many foiled shimmer shadows, so there's only one shadow that kind of looks matte in here. So if you're against shimmers, don't buy this. This is highly shimmered. I mean, every single one except one, I think, is matte. Yep, we got one matte. So we have some beautiful shades. They're in warm neutrals, and the darkest shade is kind of this purpley shade. So I'm just going to go through and I'm going to swatch these for you. I love these mirrors because I travel a lot, and having a big mirror to keep in my purse or my bag to do my makeup in a hotel or a car is incredibly important. And this mirror is on the money for like quality and size. It is the bomb. Hats off to Tarte. So this palette is limited edition Rainforest of the Sea highlighting eyeshadow palette. Okay, so it's highlighting, that's why. So it's going to be like the tops and your lids. It's not for your crease and such. This palette retails for $36. Once again, you paid $21 for the box, so that is awesome. Dive into this vegan crease-free eyeshadow palette that features 7 highly reflected plush micro shimmers and 1 matte nude that serves as a perfect transition shade. This blendable and long wear formula is enriched with vitamin E and antioxidants, helping to hydrate and protect the lids. Those are all pretty great things, so good job, Tarte. The next thing I see is what I'm super excited for. This is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. I'm using this tonight because I have heard so many people rave about how awesome Briogeo is. And mine looks like it's leaking. Oh, mine's leaking. No, don't leak. Stay in my hair. Why is it leaking? That's no good. That's okay. I'm still excited to use it. It smells good. Holy cow. Let's just try it out. Oh, that smells nice. I'm so excited for this. Kathleen Lights and Allie Glines, my two favorite YouTubers, totally recommend this, and they love all Briogeo. So I'm really excited to use some Briogeo products, especially because my hair has survived some horrible things in my lifetime, and it gets pretty dry, especially here in Wyoming. So the next thing I see is the Tatcha. Oh wait, I forgot to tell you what the Briogeo retails for. Briogeo retails for $16, so almost as much as you paid for the box. And this is actually not a full size. I believe this is like a half size, because I don't think a full size would fit in this box. The next thing is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask for normal to dry skin. And I have never tried anything by Tatcha, and I have heard that her stuff, I hope is it a woman? Tatcha? I have heard that Tatcha things are amazing. So I'm excited to try these. This is gonna be really fun, and to just kind of like relax and detox and have some nice skincare. So I'm excited for these Tatcha skin masks. These set actually retails for $24, so these are a lot more expensive. Nourish your skin from within using this lightweight blend of rich germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. It's designed for maximum absorption, delivering 2 milliliters of skin, quenching serum, and imparting an instant dewy luminous glow. This is gonna be awesome. Scientifically perfected trio of fermented Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, and algae instantly restores skin for a healthy radiance. This is gonna be really cool. I'm excited to try Tatcha because I don't own anything Tatcha. So this is exciting for me. And I don't do face masks a whole lot. I usually end up doing them with like my buddies. So like my cousins or my friend Kate will come over and we'll do a skin mask or a face mask. And I've been getting more into them, but most of the face masks that I have, you actually apply on your face with your fingers or a brush. And so I have been getting more into sheet masks. So this is fun. The next thing is the Starlooks Aurora Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil from starlooks.com. Is that what that says? Luxy Longwear Eye Pencil. The intensely pigmented formula delivers a beautiful color that lasts all day. So I've got it out. Nice and shiny. It comes out and it is a twist up. Whoa, it's pink. Why is it pink? Longwear eyeliner? When am I gonna use a pink eyeliner? Maybe to go above your line, like those pretty winged looks where there's two colors. I guess that's what it's gonna be. So this retails for $19, $2 under what you paid for the box. So that's pretty awesome. Once again, you're getting way more than you paid for the box. The last product in here is Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick. How do you say that? Bouche? Boucher? I don't know. Why is everything so unpronounceable? So this by Bite Beauty, the Amuse Bouche, I really have no idea what I'm saying, so I'm sorry. So it has this beautiful matte finish. Wow, it's really soft to touch. And the lipstick tips up at the top. It's really nice. And then I turn it out and we have this pink color. It has the B for Bite on it. And sadly, I don't know if I'll ever wear this color. This is like that Barbie color. It's like what I'm wearing. Will I ever wear this or should I put it in my giveaway? I don't know. Oh no, there's a line on it. Did I do that? There's a line on the back of it. Maybe I nicked it. Well, I can't give it away now. People will be like, she swatched it. Okay, I guess I'm trying out my Bite Beauty lipstick. I don't have anything by Bite Beauty, so we'll give her a shot. Maybe I'll do like a Barbie eye look and use this. That would be funny. Like really light lids, pink, heavy on the blush, pink lips. I'm doing that. Is a high-impact lipstick in a multi-dimensional shades, has handcrafted to deliver intense moisture and creamy wear. This lipstick serves bold, creamy color with an unforgettable sensorial experience in a single swipe. and this retails for $26. So this lip alone is more than the cost of the box. So I know I've said it 100 times, but this is worth it. So that is the full of everything in the box, and I will show you what the whole actual retail value for this box would be right here. And then you'll really see the value you're getting for this box. So once again, I highly suggest BoxyCharm. This isn't my favorite box necessarily, but I'm really excited for the Briogeo, the Tatcha. I love Tarte, so I'm not going to ever turn down their stuff. And it'll all be really fun to try and keep doing. So I hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll come back. Remember to like and subscribe if you'd like to see me coming back and see the looks and stuff I make. I'm going to be doing some beauty, life, and encouragement on this channel. You're going to see vlogs into my life. You're going to see all kinds of makeup stuff, all kinds of beauty. Like, I don't know, occasionally maybe you'll see that I work out because I like to work out, and I'm about to do a run right after this video, even though it's like 11 o'clock at night. So you're going to see into my life, and then I'm going to encourage you because I think that a lot in this beauty community, a lot of people bash on each other, and it's time to knock it off. We need to empower each other and love each other and lift each other up. And so if you are a person who is in need of that, subscribe, because I'll be here to love on you. And I'm crazy, so you'll at least be entertained, hopefully. Alright, I love you all. Have an awesome day, and yeah, come back. Okay, bye guys. With 5 milligrams, megagram. I'm just gonna shut up. My stupid camera shuts off all the time. I read that wrong, but I'm dyslexic. So don't judge me. And I am not sponsored. I don't even know if BoxyCharm does sponsorships, but ain't nobody gonna sponsor somebody with 29 followers.